Hey guys, I just got off a call with someone who lost like $1,500 on some arbitrage bot they found through a Telegram group, and I'm just sitting here thinking, man, if they'd asked me first, I could have saved them that headache. So instead of letting this keep happening, I'm just going to show you the platform I actually use and explain why it's the only one I trust. Been testing crypto arbitrage bots for probably close to 2 years now, tried more platforms that I care to admit, got scammed a few times, almost quit the whole thing, but did find one that's actually legitimate. So roughly 7 months ago, I came across TradeSmart, and it's genuinely been the only platform that's worked consistently without doing anything fake. The platform's earned my trust through dependable tech, solid arbitrage algorithms, multi-chain network integration, non-custodial architecture, and reliable performance over 7 months.
All right, so as you can see, I'll be connecting a wallet with this balance that I'll be using for the session. All right, so first step is getting authenticated, so I'm clicking connect here. Pop-up appears and I'm going with Trust Wallet. Just waiting a sec. Good, logged in. Next, I'm choosing preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive options. This sets how the bot executes arbitrage opportunities, my risk level, profit targets, and how much capital is needed. Just pick whatever suits you. Then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which algorithm's handling all the arbitrage trades. Okay, next is investment amount, just whatever you're comfortable with for the session. All right, then comes network selection based on traffic and what fees are running. So I go with whichever has cheaper costs or just leave it auto-select. Final thing, click Start AI, which gets everything going. So now I'm just waiting for completion. All right, so several minutes went by and I've ended the session, and here's the full picture. My total balance, profit generated, trades completed, win rate percentage, and a console showing every single move the bot executed.
So yeah, this should demonstrate how solid and trustworthy this arbitrage tech is, especially in 2026. So now I just got to select the currency, enter my address. 1 second. Okay, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. All right, processing. Perfect, token sent to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to appear in my balance, let me break down why this platform actually delivers and what makes it different from all the scams. So you can see every arbitrage trade happening in real time through the console, verify the transactions on chain, cross-check the price spreads against actual exchange data. That verifiability exists because the trades are real. The arbitrage opportunities it finds are time-sensitive too, which is how real arbitrage works. Windows close fast as markets balance. I've watched it execute within seconds of identifying spreads, not hours later like fake platforms claim. The non-custodial design means my funds stay in my possession always, so there's no risk of the platform locking my money or creating withdrawal barriers.
And the performance has been consistent over 7 months without needing any special requirements from me. No recruitment, no volume quotas, no staking lockups. That sustainability proves it's based on actual trading. Now, let me tell you about the worst platform I tried before this. It had these premium tiers where you'd get better arbitrage rates if you held their native token. Sounded reasonable at first, like a loyalty program. I bought some of their tokens to unlock the better tier, started using the bot. First couple weeks seemed fine, made some profits, but then their token price started dropping hard, like really hard. Went from $5 to under $1 in 2 weeks. Tried to sell my tokens, but liquidity was basically zero. Nobody was buying. Realized the whole thing was designed to pump their token by forcing users to buy it for premium access. Then the team dumped on everyone. The arbitrage feature barely worked. It was just there to justify the token requirement. Lost money on both the token crash and the platform being terrible at actual arbitrage. That taught me to avoid platforms with their own tokens or complex tier systems. Anyway, if you're sick of platforms that are more focused on selling you tokens or memberships than actually delivering results, been there, lost money on that stuff. TradeSmart, link is in the description and I'll pin it in the comments. Not trying to hype anything, just being straight about what's actually worked for me. If this saves you from wasting money, awesome. Drop a like if this was helpful, subscribe for more real content, and comment your thoughts. Appreciate you watching.